This one is the monster right here.
454.
My goodness, look at them ribs. Wow, this is the real deal right here. Woo!
That's one of the best ones I've seen so far right there, boy. Woo.
This thing is clean as hell.
Yeah, the red interior too.
My goodness.
The red leather on it, it's nice.
How much does this one go for?
This one's an expensive one because it's got low miles on it. It's got a new engine. I think it's like about 90,000.
Wow.
Yeah. When I pulled in, I was like, "Where's he at?" Yeah, I'm coming, man. Get out here, man. I'm trying to. Listen to me. This one's a nice one. This is not yet. This which one is this one? Ford or This is Chevy. It's Chevy. Yeah, I was about to say, yeah, it's the old school Chevy. It's this Chevy Chevelle.
Big engine, big engine.
Oh yeah. What size engine? 454 cubic inches. Woo! V8, big V8. Big V8, my people. This is the Chevy. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Woo! Beautiful. Y'all see it? Oh yeah, we gotta get a lot.
There we go, starting it up. Woo-hoo! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.